Hi everyone, this is Miss Kelly, and this is a short video to show you how to place holds on books. Beginning next week, we are going to start curbside service at our school, and I'll explain about that at the end. But first, I want to show you how to put a hold on a book. If you will open your Clever portal, and then you will have to scroll down. You'll scroll down a little ways till you get to the category called libraries, and you will open the Limitless Libraries app. You will notice that it defaults to elementary school. That doesn't really matter which school it has, but let's go first to my account. That's the first thing you want to do is log in. So if you need to log into your account, you will hit My Account and you will put your 190 number for your library card number. Your PIN is 2 digits for the month you were born and 2 digits for the day you were born. So on the top line, you would put your 190 number. Since I'm logging in as myself, my login's a little different. So if you were born on April the 5th, your login would be 04 for April, 05 for the day. Okay, so you will go ahead and put in your PIN and then click login. Then you will see you are logged in to your Limitless Libraries account. So let's say that you would like to search for a book. Let's look for a book called Zeus, Dog of Chaos. We had this in our book club earlier. Okay, so if you look here, you'll see there are several different editions for this book. If you want the book and you want to see if we've got it or not, look at Quick Copy View and you scroll down. And right now, we don't have that available at head, but it probably is available through Limitless Libraries. So let's place a hold on it. And you would like to pick it up at head magnet, and you say yes, submit hold request. Now, let's say that you wanted to read the online version of the book, and it says it does have an available online version. So you would click check out Overdrive, and it will say now you can view the title in your account. So let's view my checkouts. Okay, I have two books checked out through Overdrive. So you can see here under Zeus, Dog of Chaos, you have several options here. You can read it online, which would mean to read it through your laptop. You could download it and have it sent to your Kindle or an Adobe EPUB book. Let's say you just want to read it on your computer. So I'll click on Read It Online, and here it shows the image of the book. And here it shows the dedication and so forth. There's the contents. And if you just keep clicking, it's got a lot of chapters. So here it shows you, and it's a little cut off here. It would not be cut off when you were reading it. This is just because I'm recording. So you would start reading, okay? So that's how you would do for um, a online book. Okay, now let me tell you a little bit. We are going to have curbside service starting next week, Wednesday, November 2nd. Items will be available for pickup in the breezeway outside at school. Each student who has any holds will have them placed with their in a little pile on a table in the breezeway with your name on them. You may swing by any time between 9 and 3 on Wednesday to pick up your books. Now, one further thing you need to know, if you would like to pick up your books on Wednesday of next week, you will have to have any holds placed by Monday, by the end of the day Monday. Then Tuesday, I will go into school, I will pull the holds, get them ready, and then I will send you a confirmation email. Yes, your books are there. If you do not receive a confirmation email from me, that means that either they had many holds on the book or they haven't arrived at our school yet. So don't come unless you get a confirmation email from me. So that is how to place holds on books. And I hope you will use this service and use it a lot because it'll be a great help for you in some of your learning time.